Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shahid bin Roswadi. I'm from Group 1. My teammates include Saifuddin, Leo Kokhok, and also Hanisa Izzati. So the project that we have done is the restaurant reservation system. So this system aims to enable users to reserve tables and also book for food based on the menu.
So now I'll be presenting four of our classes. One of it is restaurant and order, review, and customer. Restaurant is our main function that consists of few static functions that act as a error handler for the user input. And next is order. Order basically store the area of food ordered for each customer that made the reservation before. And it also sum up the price of all the foods that ordered by the customer. Next is review. Review basically prompt user with a review form that allow the user to leave rating and comment for the meal and service provided. Lastly, the customer. Customer basically store the personal information about user that want to do the reservation that extend from the user class and also have two child, which is VIP and um, the regular customer. And that's it from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Muhammad Saifuddin and today I will explaining about four classes, which is reservation, payment, user and staff. So for the reservation class, this is a very important class because as the name of our system, which is restaurant reservation system, so this is main features in our program. So what does the class do? The reservation class is manage reservation by storing all the information that we need, such as a number of people, customer, table, time session, and in this class we applies composition by associating with the other objects or other classes, such as with customer, table and time session object. So we include all the objects into this reservation class. So and next we have a payment class, which is this class handles all the payments. So after the reservation we have a payment, so it handles payment processing for a bill, and we using the encapsulation to manage payment details and providing all the methods and all the process of the payment. And next we have user class and staff. So first, user is the parent and staff is the child. So why we use inheritance? So basically this is a inheritance concept. Why we use this? Because staff has all the attribute from the user. So all the attributes from user will inherit to the staff class. So and the staff class has a special attributes. So that's why we use inheritance in this case. So that's all.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Hanisa Izzati, and for my part, I do discountable, taxation, and also food class. Okay, so first let's go through the discountable class. This is an interface class which allows us to apply varying discount based on the customer type such as VIP or regular customer inside the system. As for the time session class, it handles time interval for reservation and it encapsulates start time and end time to check availability during reservation by customer, and it has a method to determine overlapping between sessions so there will be no double booking for customer. And lastly, for the food class, each instance represents the menu item offered by our restaurant. It stores essential information like the food ID, food name, and the price itself, and it allows us to easily manage and display the menu item. So that's all for my part. Thank you.
Okay, so the part that I have done is the table, bill, VIP, and regular class. So for table class, it is a composition between time session class. For bill, this is used to for user to pay. It is an association relation with payment and order class that we will discuss later. And also I have done VIP and regular class, which is extended from customer class. It serves an inheritance, a multi-level inheritance for this project. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, now we are going to proceed with prototype demonstration. Now let's see our code here. It has a lot of Java file and CSV file. So let's run the restaurant class, which is the main class. And this is our main screen. It will show this welcome to our restaurant sign. And it will show a lot of options including create reservation, make payment, and submit review. And lastly, we can exit the system by entering 0. First, let's create a reservation. So I'll choose number 1. And I have to provide my personal information as below. First name, let's say Leo, last name, and phone number, email. And now I have to choose the customer type. So let's see, I am a VIP customer, so I choose number 1. And now we have to enter the number of people for start date and time, based on the format, by the way. Next, for the end date and time, let's say I'll just stay there for 2 hours, so it will be until 12 p.m. And now I can start ordering for my food. Here we have in the menu nasi lemak, nasi goreng, and nasi bujang. So I want to eat nasi lemak, maybe 2 nasi lemak and 2 nasi goreng for my friend. So let's choose. And once I'm done, I have to click 0 to finish ordering. And here's my total. It will show the receipt including reservation ID, customer name, start and end date, the number of people, the table ID, order food, and also the total price. Let's say I have done eating, so now we can start making payment. So I choose number 2. And here I have to enter my order ID, which is 1. And it will show the total amount to pay, and let's say I'll pay 20 ringgit. And here is my changes, 8 ringgit, payment successful, thank you. And now we can start submitting review. So I'll choose number 3. I have to enter my name based on the receipt, based on the previous name. So say you say, okay. So now I have to rate my meal. See, it is very delicious, so I give it 10 out of 10. And now we can give our comment on our experience of the restaurant service of food. So I'll say so delicious. Okay, so let's say this is my review, so I can just click enter, and the review will be submitted to the restaurant. So I think this prototype demonstrate how the system works. It can create a reservation, it can make payments, submit review, and I think that's all for our prototype demo and for our presentation video. That's all from us. Thank you.